Have you ever wondered how we, as adults, continue to learn and grow? Despite our diversity of beliefs and backgrounds and knowledge, we share common traits in all our adults' learning process. I'm here to share you some theories that will revolutionize your organization's approach to employee engagement. Adapting a human-centric approach can create a more engaging workplace where employees are motivated to excel. These proven principles can support employee engagement and motivation. According to Decker and Ryan's self-determination theory, people thrive when they have autonomy, competency, and relatedness, emphasizing that aspects can enhance employees' engagement and motivation in the workplace. Beginning with autonomy is the need to feel control of one's actions and choices, act according to the values and the interests, and be independent. Competence, the need to feel effective and capable of interacting with the environment, to master and challenge and experience a sense of accomplishment. Relatedness, the need to feel connected to others and experience meaningful relatedness and to feel an understanding and cared for by others. According to self-determination theory, when these needs are met, individuals are more likely to experience intrinsic motivation, which refers to engaging in the activities of inherent satisfaction and enjoyment they provide. The second principle to consider is creating a human-centric workplace is the idea of transformation. Transformation change represents a profound and often challenging journey, but it also holds the potential to reshape an organization's identity, capabilities, and future trajectories. While it requires significant effort and resources to be successful, transformation positions organizations for long-term success and relevant in the rapid evolving environment. But highlighting this potential can install a sense of hope and optimism in the workplace. However, a key to transformation is creating motivation. One must be able to ask the question, what's in it for them? Ladowski said, if something can be learned, it can be learned in a motivational manner. Every instructional plan needs to have a motivational plan. Motivating employees to be engaged in the workplace is critical for the success of the organization. There are several effective strategies that employees can implement to engage employees' engagement individually and achieve the expectations to achieve their goals. Employees' sense of purpose and direction, motivating them to be actively involved in their task. Regular communication, feedback, such as performance evaluation and constructive criticism, can help employees' engagement by letting them know their work is valued and helping them improve. Creating a positive work environment where employees feel appreciated and supported promotes engagement. Cognitive factors in motivation include offering opportunities for growth and development, such as training programs, career advancements, which can further motivate employees to be engaged in their work by providing them with a sense of progress and a chance to enhance their skills. A culture that values teamwork and encourages employee collaboration can significantly increase engagement. Consider the way we think, which are the cognitive factors in motivation. How can we create interest in the workplace? Motivation determines how much value learning compared to the mastering the work. Common ways employees do this is by having goals. As we look at the trying to be change agents, it sometimes can be more difficult than with others. Our minds are complex, and if people have external issues that create stress or trauma, they may need more time. Organizations should prioritize employee well-being. This can be done by promoting open communication, work-life balance, mental health resources, empathy, and relaxing opportunities. Creating engagement work environments key to boosting employee production and achieving success in an organization. Understanding how to apply adult learning can help develop a human-centric approach that can apply change and motivation to the workplace.